Can your kids be young leaders? Leadership skills in kids. Leadership skill is one such quality that make children fearless of accepting situations that could be tough. Leaders in childhood education involves the skills of being organized, flexible and patient. Can your kids be leaders? Yes. Leaders are born, and they can also be nurtured. Kids are always in search of opportunities that could display their abilities. Therefore, as parents and educators, we need to provide an environment that helps them to recognize the leaders in them. How does leadership skills help kids? Building sense of cooperation and accountability from a young age. Encourage actions and communication, helping them to enhance their interpersonal skills. Motivates kids to pursue activities which they are interested in. Teach kids to be able to work in group or team projects, enabling them to find ways out in tough situations. Progresses their logical reasoning abilities. Can LogiQminds help your kids? Definitely yes. At LogiQminds, educators ensure that kids are offered opportunities that could enhance their leadership qualities and improve their abilities with mentors' guidance.